made from the best components, with the highest accuracy, with precision and reliability. The Priminer machines, created in the technological heart of the world, Shenzhen. Our company relies on a German-Chinese team of specialists who know what each stage of the production looks like. The key positions in our global team are well staffed by employees who have been working for over 20 years in the machine tools industry. Priminer represents machines which are precise, dynamic and reliable. Our machines are used in over 30 countries all over the world. Committed employees, attention to details, the highest quality components in the market, and constant search for optimal solutions make the Priminer machines the best possible choice, because the way a machine is built affects the way it performs.